getting leaner. I mean,
And I could see it. I can see the more definition in your arms, in your chest, in your midsection.
yeah, my midsection is,
4 weeks. He hasn't done any exercise but a few days of bib stick here and there. That's just how powerful the food is and the results that you get from living the bib lifestyle. Hey, welcome back everyone. You're here with the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body where we eat to heal. I'm Jamie Graff, and as you know it, I'm here for you. This is the 4th week for our Operation Jeff Blue, the Hollywood music executive taking the full meal Bib Lifestyle Challenge. And he is doing a fantastic job finishing all those meals each and every week, because that is the most important part of living the Bib Lifestyle. You have to eat the food to get the results. Guys, this week we've got a great topic. I want to talk about taking the wrong turn. A lot of times we feel like in life we may have taken the wrong turn. But the most important thing is you realizing whether or not that was the right or the wrong turn. Now, I've done some things in my past that have caused me to be locked up for many years. You can find out that information in my book, My Health, My Story, How I Found the Bib Lifestyle. And it explains a lot of the things that I went through to get me to where I am today. Now, in the past, I may have thought those were the wrong turns, and I paid for my consequences. But in the end, it doesn't make me who I am today. It's a part of who I was, but as long as I learned and realized that I did make the wrong choices or took the wrong turn, I improved and I changed my thought process and I reevaluated where I wanted to go with my life. And that's an important part about food. It helps you to make those better decisions. It helps you to become a better person, and it helps you to overall build a newer, stronger, healthier version of yourself that, as I say, is going to help you to make better choices in all areas of your life. So make sure you guys stay with us, because we're going to see Jeff Blue. We're going to drop off this food and we're going to ask him what happened in his life where he thought he may have taken the right or the wrong turn. You're here with the Bib Lifestyle. Jamie Graff is your host. Stay tuned, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, because we'll be back and we're going to see what Jeff Blue's got to say to you. All right, guys, we're about to pull into Jeff's drive and take this last left-hand turn. All right, and we're going to find out from Jeff what turns he took that may have been not the right ones at the right time, but those turns are what got him to where he is today. So always remember, we have so many choices in life. Which direction do we want to take? It's all about learning from your mistakes and moving on, and always staying positive. Let's go find out what he's got to say. All right, it's blue skies and sunshine out here at the end of January, the 25th that is. We've got the bag of goodies and we're heading on in to see Jeff. And let's ask him what kind of turns he took and the results from there. There we are. Hey, good morning, Jeff. How you doing?
good to see you.
You as well. We've got your goodies right here.
Awesome.
2 fruit bowls, 2 salads, packed to the gills. You know, Jeff, packed to the gills. Yes, you know, I think we all came from the sea like fish. All right.
It's bright out there.
It is very bright out there. So, Jeff, you know,
Yes, sir.
Today's episode, I was just thinking earlier, I spoke about taking the right or the wrong turn in life. And I shared with them one of the directions I took that ended me up in jail for a couple years, but on the end side of it, I learned a big lesson and I wanted to improve myself and become a better person. So I made different choices and took the right turn to get me to where I am today. Is there anything in your past that you can say or share that, you know, you thought you were maybe taking the wrong turn and somehow it ended up to get you, or just some bad incident that may have happened? Anything that you can share?
I know about a bad incident per se, but I felt at a certain point in my life, I was very reactionary to things. And I realized not thinking things through, not giving stuff a breath, a pause, leads to negative things, more negative things, chaos. And so whenever I feel like something is really, oh my God, this is, needs to be dealt with, I take a second. And I go, okay, I'm going to calm down and give it a pause. And that has been great. I did not do that in my past, which has led to a lot of drama and major life things that I would have changed. Because I was just trying to fix things. Oh, this is not going right. I've got to fix this immediately. I've got to combat this. Oh, and it's better to take a step back and say, hey, I'm going to deal with this, but I want to think this through and not react. So that's probably one of the biggest life lessons I could impart on somebody.
Well, that's a great lesson to share with people, and I appreciate that. And that's another thing that I've done a lot is I've acted on impulse, just not thinking things through correctly, and sometimes not having the best results in the end.
Right.
But here, what we're trying to do with the Bib Lifestyle is we're trying to get incredible results. And that is for the body, for the health. And that also helps us, again, with making better decisions in life on a daily basis as well. And that's all we wanted to touch on here with the Bib Lifestyle, the end of week number 4 for Jeff here.
Yeah. I'm leaning up. I need to start bulk. I need to have more time in the gym because I'm leaning up. I could feel that. People are going like, you're looking more lean, but I need to start lifting because I haven't been doing that because my life has been chaotic.
Yeah.
So I need to spend more time in the gym now that I am getting leaner.
And I can see it. I can see the more definition in your arms, in your chest, in your midsection.
Yeah, my midsection has,
I can definitely tell your face has leaned out as well, and underneath your neck as well. Absolutely. The changes, they happen that easy. They're that effective.
Yeah.
And as you say, 4 weeks, he hasn't done any exercise but a few days of bib stick here and there because he's had so much chaos going on in his life. But that's just how powerful the food is and the results that you get from living the Bib Lifestyle, So these next 4 weeks are going to be very critical to really transform Jeff, which they are. So now, since he's been eating this way, his body has been reprogrammed. It only takes a couple weeks to really reprogram the system, and now it knows that he's getting these nutrients on a daily basis. So it's doing the process of eliminating all the waste because it's basically on a program, and that's what the body is. It's the most powerful computer in the world. So these next 4 weeks, hopefully Jeff decides to get himself into the gym, get that workout that he wants to get, so we can show you guys the before and after pictures of just 8 weeks of living the Bib Lifestyle. So here we have it with Jeff, Blue.
Let's do it.
Last of the 4 weeks. For all of you guys out there, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, share it with your friends and family. Keep following my channel because we have so much more to come. And always remember, be your best body.